Hello students, once again I am here to teach you, but this time I'm gonna teach you moral science. Chapter is dignity of labor. Story is clean the latrines please. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, taught people a lesson in dignity of labor. So Mahatma Gandhi, whom we call the father of nation, was the one who taught people how to respect or show honor to each and every profession. Once, one of Bapu's friends, a rich industrialist, brought his son to meet him at his ashram. The young man had returned from abroad after completing his studies there. He said, Bapuji, I want to do something for my country before I join Pitaji in helping him run his business. This is why Pitaji has brought me to meet you. So, one of Bapu's friend, who was rich businessman, he brought his son to meet Gandhiji, and the boy said to Bapuji that Bapuji, I want to do something for my country until I am not involved in the business of my father, and that's why I am here to meet you. Gandhiji said to him, all right, you can stay in ashram for some days. Your first work will be to clean the latrines. Gandhiji allowed the boy to stay in the ashram and gave him the work of cleaning the latrines. The young man was surprised, but he respected Gandhiji a lot and did not question his order. He stayed back in the ashram and began to clean the latrines every day. A week passed. So the boy was a little surprised because he was here to do something for the country, and Bapu gave him the work of cleaning latrines. But he respected Gandhiji a lot, so he followed his order and did the work of cleaning the latrines. Almost a week passed. The young man went to Gandhiji. Bapu, I have been cleaning latrines for the past 1 week. Please tell me how to serve my country. Gandhiji replied, please continue to do the same work for a few more weeks. The young man, after a week passed, the young man went to Gandhiji and asked him that I have been cleaning the latrines for the past 1 week, and now I want to do something for my country. So tell me, how can I serve my country or do something for my country? Gandhiji asked him to continue the work for a few more weeks. The young man did as told. A month passed. One day he decided that he will not clean the latrines. He did not like the work at all. He returned to speak to Gandhiji. So after a month passed and the man got frustrated by cleaning the latrines. He was not liking that work. So he went to Gandhiji and said that he did not like the work at all. He went to Gandhiji and said, Bapu, I have been cleaning latrines for a month now. Don't you think my talent is being wasted? I have been doing this dirty work for many days. Please give me some better work suiting my capability. I want to serve my country, said the young man to Gandhiji. So after a month passed, the young man went to Gandhiji. He said, I have been cleaning the latrines for past 1 month, and my talent is being wasted in cleaning the latrines. I want to do some work which suits my capability. I want to serve my country. Gandhiji smiled and said, you have got a good education. So you feel that you can solve big issue and serve your country? You will want to reduce poverty, eradicate illiteracy, and have other such big goals. But son, as long as you are unable to do the humblest of jobs, you will not be able to recognize the real problems of your country. First, understand that insignificant small work is as important as big jobs. Treat all jobs equally and honor them. Gandhiji, after all that thing, when the boy said to Gandhiji that I have been doing this work, now I don't like it, and it's a dirty work, my talent is being wasted and all, Gandhiji smiled and said that you are highly educated, you have studied in abroad, so you think that you can do great things and solve big issues of the country. But until and unless you don't know how to respect each and every profession, until and unless you are not humble, you will not get to know the real problems of your country. So first understand that these small jobs or work is as important as big jobs. That means we have to consider all the works equally important. We have to treat all the jobs equal and give equal honor to them. The young man understood what Gandhiji was telling him and returned to cleaning the latrines. So the young man got what Gandhiji wanted to convey to him, and he went back to clean the latrines. So, did you all understand what dignity of labor means? Hope you all have got it. And be humble, be kind, respect all professions equally. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, to press the bell icon for latest updates.